Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on hair makeup reviews and tutorials. As you can see, my hair is a little bit different. Not exactly feeling fully like myself right now because of this hair situation. Can't quite see it in the lighting that we're in right now. You can see it over here. So let me explain this little hair conundrum that I've been dealing with. Basically, I was collaborating with a company that sent me their color enhancing shampoo. I had 3 colors. The first color that I decided to go with was silver, me thinking that it would probably tone down the little bit of brass that I had in my hair still. This is the result of what happened, which made me really realize why I haven't dyed my hair blue in a very long time. It is because it is quite difficult to work with blue hair. It is quite difficult to get it out. It's just not fun. I was really hoping that, you know, if my hair was gonna go blue, that it would go from like dark to like a full silver all the way down, but unfortunately I just went to like dark brown, blonde, seafoam green, blue. So yeah, I've been just dealing with my hair the last few days and I just want to get it out. Anyway, so this is like better. Basically what I did is that I had 2 colors. I had a green and like a fuchsia shock, I believe, for Manic Panic. Mixed those together to kind of make like a black, kind of this like brown color to try to neutralize the green or whatever whole thing that was happening here. So I put that on my head. It looks better. This is what it looks like now. The only problem is that, you know, we still have some ends that are a little bit kind of more like ultraviolet, a little bit still blue. I just want to have more neutral colored hair. We're almost there. I'm gonna be using 2 products today to try to like minimize the purple and blue that I have at the ends. The first product that I'm gonna use is the Rue Clean Touch Color Stain Remover. So this can actually be used on skin, and it can actually be used on ends that are oversaturated. Removes excess color from hair ends, stain from clothes, etc. You get the idea. I did a little strand test of this, kind of like this area here, so you can see it actually worked. I'm gonna be using this to get more of the purple and blue out, and then to neutralize it to a more brown tone. Then I have the Ice Cream brand Kro Mask, and this is in the shade Intense Copper. Now, if you know a little bit about color theory, you know a bit about the color wheel. So basically the problem that I have is the blue and purple. Complementary opposite colors to that are yellow and orange. What I want to do is to try to use these colors to neutralize the blue tones that I have in here. I'm gonna use orange, and the bit of purple that I have, it's a little bit still on the blue side, which is still going to neutralize with this orange color. I could go the other way and just fully dye my hair, except that I don't really want to do that right now. I'm afraid that if I use, say, like a Wella color charm, that it's not gonna fully, it's gonna turn out funky with this blue that I have. So my goal right now is just to neutralize it so that I can actually dye it the color that I want in like a week or 2. So basically just using color theory to fix this. So let's get started. All right, so now we're gonna get started. I'm just wearing like an old shirt that I don't mind getting dirty. Basically the part that I've already done this to, you can see that this is much better than say like here. I don't know how well this shows on camera, but huge difference. I feel more comfortable just doing this all over my head, knowing that it worked in this strand test. Yes, I did do a strand test. I should be doing this more often. Probably not have this whole situation if I did a strand test from the start. So yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go with the Clean Touch like color stain remover. For excess color on porous ends, apply to affected areas, massage hair between thumb and fingers, rinse well, repeat if necessary. Okay, cool. So basically where I want to take out this purple that we have is here down. So we're gonna work with, God, this is so purple. Just gonna juice it all in. Oh, this kind of stings my skin. I don't like this. I'm gonna use gloves. Luckily, because I couldn't reach the back of my head super well, the back isn't super blue or purple. It didn't take in as much of that stuff as the rest of like the front. Yeah, it smells like rubbing alcohol. Okay, so I'm rubbing. I think it's supposed to come out when I rinse it. So I think it's definitely working because when I'm looking at my glove, I can see like all this kind of purple coming out, which is really good. I think I have it fully saturated, and I'm basically just gonna dunk my head in my sink and just like rinse it out. And then my hair will be damp and good to take in the copper color enhancing mask. Okay, so let's go ahead and rinse this out and see how much purple actually comes out. I think I'm gonna do this twice, add more, rinse it out, just to get like maximum, what's the opposite of coverage? Removal. Okay, so after a second wash, it is still purple, but it's a lot less dark. It looks more silver, really, really more subtle. It did take out some of the blue. There's a little bit of purple left over, but we're looking a lot better. So now we're gonna go in with the copper mask. I really have high hopes for this. So as you can tell, this is very vibrant. It almost looks like ketchup, but a little bit lighter and more on the orange side. Here goes nothing. If this makes my hair more ginger, I'm totally happy with that. Like, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm liking how this is gonna turn out. Ginger, here I come. Okay, so I think it's pretty much well covered everywhere. I'm really excited to see how this turns out. So now I'm gonna leave it in for 5 and hope that it really, really just turns my hair ginger, because I'll be so happy with that. Oh, I'm loving this. This is gonna turn out so great. I'm gonna leave this in for 5 minutes, wash it out, and I'll show you guys how it turns out. Okay, so this is what it turned out as. I'm absolutely in love. This is exactly what I wanted. There's some parts, like, you can kind of see where there was something going on. You know, there was some something, but it's not as obvious, and it looks really smooth, really even. My hair doesn't feel dry. The conditioner that I used is super good for just like keeping your hair hydrated. It's the Hello Hydration by Herbal Essences, but yeah, so this is what my hair looks like. It's this really lovely kind of auburn chocolate brown. Absolutely gorgeous. Ugh, this feels so much better. This feels more me. I don't look like a dirty teenage dirtbag. So yeah, that's basically how I went from blue to purple to now auburn hair. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys found it informative. If you mess up your hair like I did and you want to fix it, hopefully that's why you stumbled upon this video. So please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!